Hello everyone, welcome back to Indiana Kayak Fishing Journal. Today is Saturday, April the 20th. I am up in Steuben County, Indiana on beautiful Crooked Lake, going to chase some walleyes. All I'm going to be doing today is trolling crankbaits along some of the break lines out here. This lake has a lot of irregular break lines right out in the middle of the lake, and that's where I've always found fish out there in the past. Believe it or not, I have not been up to this lake in 5 years. I actually couldn't believe it myself when I looked back on my last video from up here at Crooked Lake, and it was 5 years ago. So I'm gonna get out there. The weather is less than ideal, and it has been the last couple of weekends. It's been cold and windy and nasty the last like 3 weekends. I really haven't had any luck getting out to do any fishing. Today I'm gonna try Crooked, hopefully get into some walleyes. We've had temps in the 60s and 70s for a good chunk of March and April, and unfortunately this cold front brought in highs in the mid to low 40s. So a drastic drop in the temperature, and then there's just a ton of wind to come with that. You know, I bet the wind on the lake is 20 to 30 miles an hour. There's white caps out there. But I'm just gonna get out there and do the best that I can. Stay tuned, we'll see how it goes. Little baby walleye. Not even gonna net him, he ain't big enough to keep. There's no way that's a 16-inch walleye. Caught one though. There he is. Little scruffer. Let's let him go. See you later. That's a fish. That's a good one. Ah, little walleye again. Damn. Oh. He was pulling like he was gonna be nice, but he's not. Gosh dang. Pretty fish, but not real big. All right, let's get this guy back to little walleye. Send you back. That's all I can catch today is these little tiny ones. That's my third one that size. Nothing to write home about, unfortunately. It's bitterly cold. Windy as all get out. Catching these tiny little walleyes. I was hoping for a decent one today. I don't think it's gonna happen. Probably the nicest one of the day so far. I made the mistake of forgetting to charge my batteries for my head-mounted camera. So we're just getting a couple shots with this, but that's the biggest one of the day, and he's nothing to write home about. He's probably not even 14. All right, well, I made it back to the launch. The sun decided to finally come out, but boy, was it a cold and miserable couple hours on the lake. I gotten used to 60 and 70 degree highs for the days, and that massive cold front just dropped the temps all the way down into the low 40s. And it feels way colder than it actually is. Well, the good news is that I did manage to catch 4 walleyes. The bad news is they were all shorts. I did measure that last one and it was just short of 15 inches. The minimum size limit to keep walleyes up here in northern Indiana is 16 inches, so nothing to brag about and nothing to take home for dinner, unfortunately. The good news is, like I said, I caught 4 walleyes and I lost another good fish that I think was a walleye there at the very end of the day. I also made the rookie mistake of not charging all of my GoPro batteries before coming up the fish. So the last couple of fish, really the only thing you're going to see of those, obviously, was just some of the shots from the front of the boat. I saved just enough camera battery to shoot an intro and an outro, and then get a couple of shots of some of those fish at the very end of the day. Probably going to be a short video today, because like I said, I don't have a lot of video to share. I hope you guys enjoyed it, though. Thank you to everybody who likes, comments, subscribes, shares these videos. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next one.